Daniel is planning to order X units of brand A battery and Y units of brand B battery. The total profit that he would make from selling the batteries is determined by the function fxy equals to x squared plus 20y plus 5xy. Find the maximum profit in RM he can earn if he orders a total of 300 units of batteries. So our function fxy equals to x squared plus 20y plus 5xy is subject to the constraint. So what is our constraint? If you can see here, he orders a total of 300 units of batteries. So that's our constraint. X plus y equals to 300, or you may write down as gxy equals to x plus y minus 300. So let us form a new function, which is f x y lambda equals to fxy plus lambda gxy. So we have x squared plus 20y plus 5xy plus lambda times with the function x plus y minus 300. Let us expand a bit. Lambda x plus lambda y minus 300 lambda. So our first step is we're going to find the first partial derivative of x, y, and lambda. So let us start with f sub x. So let us differentiate x squared with respect to x is 2x. Differentiate 20y with respect to x is 0. Differentiate 5xy with respect to x is 5y. Differentiate lambda x with respect to x is lambda. Differentiate lambda y minus 300 lambda is 0. F sub y. So let us differentiate x squared with respect to y is 0. Differentiate 20y with respect to y is 20. Differentiate 5xy with respect to y is 5x. Differentiate lambda x with respect to y is 0. Differentiate lambda y with respect to y is lambda. Differentiate negative 300 lambda is with respect to y is 0. Now f lambda. So if you differentiate lambda times with x plus y minus 300 is x plus y minus 300, or you may simply just copy down the constraint x plus y minus 300. So the second step is we're going to find the value of x, y, and lambda, where we're going to equal our f sub x, f sub y, f sub lambda with 0. So the first equation, 2x plus 5y plus lambda equals to 0. We're going to read the lambda first. So I'm going to rearrange, writing the 5x in front and 20 at the back here, plus with lambda, which is also equals to 0. So if we minus these two equations, 2x minus 5x is negative 3x. Well, we can minus these two, so we just write down as 5y minus 20 And if we minus lambda is 0 equals to 0. So now what we're going to do next is we have another equation, which is x plus y minus 300 equals to 0. And let us make as x equals to negative y plus 300. Then I'm going to substitute my equation x equals to negative y plus 300 into negative 3x plus 5y minus 20. So let us denote this as the first equation, and we're going to sub our x equals to negative y plus 300 into the first equation. So negative 3 times negative y plus 300 plus 5y minus 20 equals to 0. Expand, we're going to get 3y minus 900 plus 5y minus 20 equals to 0. And 3y plus 5y is 8y. Negative 900 minus 20 is negative 920. Bring it to the right hand side, it's going to be positive 920. Y equals to 920 divided by 8 is 115. So now we're going to substitute our y equals to 115 into our second equation to find the value of x, which is negative 115 plus 300 is 185. So let us find the value of lambda by substitute in this one. Let's say this is the third equation. So we're going to get negative 2 times 185 minus 5 times with 115. I bring the 2x plus 5y to the right hand side, so that's why it becomes negative here, negative 2x minus 5x. So our lambda is negative 945. So we get a maximum point. So how do you know it is a maximum point? Is by looking at the word maximum profit. So it is a maximum point. So I write down my point as maximum point is, so my x is 185, my y is 115, and the lambda is negative 945. So from this point we can say that 185 units of brand A battery and 115 units of brand B battery will maximize the profit. So what is our maximum profit? So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute our point into the function fxy. You may use fxy lambda to substitute, but it will be easier if you substitute with just x and y. You're going to get the same value, by the way. So 185 squared plus 20 times 115 plus 5 times 185 times 115. So we're going to get Rm 142,900. So this is Lagrange multiplier method, because we have a constraint here, a total of 300. So that's it.